Today's workout, chest and triceps, 7 exercises to build size and strength. Let's get started. Barbell bench press. First up, barbell bench press. Lie flat, grip slightly wider than shoulders, lower the bar to your chest and press up with control. This is your main chest mass builder. Lever chest press next. Lever chest press. Adjust the seat so handles align with your chest. Push forward, squeeze your chest at the top, and control the return. Dumbbell Decline Bench Press. Now Dumbbell Decline Bench Press. This targets your lower chest. Lower the dumbbells slowly, then press up and squeeze. Assisted triceps dip. Kneeling. Time for assisted triceps dips, kneeling style. Keep your elbows close, lower your body, and push back up. Great for building tricep strength safely. Cable rope pushdown. Cable rope pushdown. Keep elbows pinned to your sides, push down, and split the rope at the bottom for maximum contraction. Dumbbell Skull Crushers. On floor, skull crushers on the floor. Lie down, lower the dumbbells behind your head, then extend back up. Controlled movement is key here. Triceps dips. Last exercise, triceps dips. Lower your body until elbows hit 90 degrees, then push back up. Feel that burn? That's your full chest and triceps workout. Like, share, and subscribe.